you go. All right, you can go back to holding him now. Upside down. Scratch his neck. They really like it when you scratch their neck. All right, Justin. Oh, yours just calmed down. You want him on your shoulder, you said?
Yeah.
Here you go. Heck yeah,
Oh, look
dude.
at that. That's really cool.
Salvage. Charcoal. Not all of them have a name yet. You can name them. All right. There you go.
I think
Got on your head. Isn't that fun? No, he didn't. He just wanted a higher. I think little Rubbies needs it. Oh, well, you had your turn, so we're gonna let everybody have a turn.
My guy got away.
So I love being around animals. It makes me feel really calm to be around just another creature who doesn't really judge, and you can just hang out, you know? That's what I like about them.
Actually, these ones were donated.
Oh, so they were free.
Yeah, these guys were donated by the same people as last year. Since we're non-for-profit, they donated to our camp. Isn't that special?
Mm-hmm. It's gonna be like how much
Don't know.
like a baby.
Like 20 for a chick. I think chicks are like.
It varies depending on the breed, like what kind of chicken it is.
What many chickens you can have here?
So they did not tell us the breeds this time. There's a. Oh my gosh, there's an Americana. There's one that has like a dinosaur name. I have to look it up.
One of them.
No, it's like a Solava. I don't know. I can't even pronounce it. Some chickens are just for eggs, and some are to eat.
I think you should get the one for eggs.
For eggs, yeah. These guys, actually, there is a female, and there's females and males, so you never know.
Yeah. Does anyone know how to tell the difference between a male and female chicken? Yeah?
The males have the little things on their head.
Yeah. Do you know what the male is called? What? Which one wakes you up in the morning? Rooster. Yeah. And then do you guys know what a female's called?
A chicken.
Close. Starts with an H.
Hen.
Hen. Yeah, that's what the females are called. 5 seconds to do your best rooster impression. I'm gonna put my fingers up, and once I do this, that means we have to stop immediately. All right, so eyes on me. Okay, I want some really good rooster impressions, you guys. Or goat impressions, or quail impressions. No screaming, actually put some effort into it. All right, ready, set, go. And stop. Perfect, you guys, thank you. All right.
Does that feel good? Get that out.
Yeah, I know. It's fun being around all these animals, and then you can like just mimic them. All right, I think.